Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be unboxing the brand new DJI Flip and testing it out in the air to see what it can do. Alright, so what's up? Today we're gonna do the DJI Flip. This drone has some really good stability and it's very lightweight and portable, so you can bring it around places. Right here I'm just setting it up and I went to the app store, downloaded the DJI app. It's called DJI Fly and it says fly as you. I like that slogan. It's a cool slogan. Anyway, go to the app, I set it up and you can look at different areas that you can fly near. They have fly zones. I think this has since been changed. You can fly anywhere at your own risk now, but the DJI drones would actually not turn on if you were inside a no-fly area or a no-fly zone. So that's since been changed. I just thought I'd let you know. Whoa. This packaging is serious. Wow. Okay. Whoa. I am dropping things now. Alright, so here's the drone. Okay. I probably shouldn't do that. So they have this little cover here on the gimbal. Let's see. Whoa. I really pulled that hard. Okay. The controller's in the box. Ow! Charge to activate the battery before using it for first time. Alright, so how do I charge it? Okay. Anyway, that was a whole process. There's a lot that goes into this thing than I thought. And this is gonna be a learning curve. I don't think I should be flying indoors, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Let's see what happens. So at this point, I moved into an open area in my house. Don't try this at home. And I put it on a little table just to see what it sounded like for the noise levels. I'd say it's fairly loud. It's like a nest of angry bees. Yeah, you can listen for yourself what you think. So anyway, I took the drone outside for a change, different scenery. Someone was following me though, annoyingly. No, I'm kidding. That's actually the drone's feature. It has a follow tracking feature and it uses LiDAR sensors that are able to pinpoint exactly where you are in three-dimensional space. Pretty cool if you ask me. I haven't attempted the following feature at night. Since the DJI LiDAR sensor uses lasers, the time of day is not a factor when considering when to fly this drone. You can get really close to different objects in the environment without worrying about crashing. It's got some obstacle avoidance systems that you can use while you fly the drone, even if you're an amateur or a professional. It's really, really easy to get the hang of how to fly and operate the drone. Here's some aerial shots. I used ProRes, which is a higher dynamic range when it records, and it gives me the ability to actually edit without worrying about crushing highlights and crushing shadows.
Hey, what you do? Don't you be a minute, don't you want me to go? Why you trying to keep me dizzy? It's a dream, Mr. Donald.